Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at CoreWeave. It is an update video, and previously on this chart we have been tracking this 1-2 setup that is still forming, and with an impulse to the upside in a wave 1 we would normally expect a wave 2 correction in the support zone between, in this case, $97 down to around $48.5. Now, in the previous video, we were somewhere around, I think this area. I don't remember exactly, but I laid out a possible path that would unfold to the downside. And in this case, we formed an ABC pattern in a wave A, I would assume at the moment. And now we are going higher in a wave B. And then we expect, after finding a resistance and reversal in the resistance zone between $127.7 up to around $164 level, we expect a C wave to the downside to continue the downtrend and possibly even complete the correction in a wave 2. Now, if, or rather when, we complete the B wave to the upside, I will be able to give you a target for a C wave, but at the moment we are still tracking this B wave to the upside, in which I would say that we had an A wave up, a B wave down, and we are now in the C wave of the B wave, in which we completed possibly a wave 1, a wave 2, a third wave, maybe followed by a fourth that could still be ongoing. The third wave could realistically also extend. We could have a double 1-2-1-2 setup. So yeah, the extent to which we completed this wave C to the upside is a bit debatable, but so far we have found resistance in the price action levels right here, as you can see, at $130.5. And while we don't have a price action resistance at the mathematical resistance level at the 50% retracement, it is still relevant. And then we have some more such resistances at the 61.8% retracement level, and then at the 78.6% retracement level here and here. This 78.6% retracement being the most significant, but I don't necessarily expect it to get there. So far, we have gone even past the 100% extension for an wave C in this ABC. So looking at this, I do remember that I need to point out that it is possible that the correction completed early. We usually expect the price in a wave 2 to get to at least the 38.2% retracement. In this case, we didn't just yet, but personally, I would expect further downside at the moment after completing this B wave to the upside. But for now, in this movement to the upside, if we don't make a new high directly, I expect to find support in the support zone between $124.5 down to around $117.6. But overall, what we are focusing on is the slightly larger time frame here. And for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.